Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital books on Amazon step by step. First, you'll need to create an Amazon KDP account. This involves providing your tax information and setting up your payment details so you can receive royalties. Familiarize yourself with the KDP dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your digital books. It's a straightforward process to get everything ready for your first publication. Next, prepare your digital book for publication. This means formatting your manuscript precisely according to KDP guidelines, ensuring it looks professional on various devices. Design an eye-catching book cover that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Finally, craft a compelling book description and select relevant keywords to help readers discover your work. These steps are crucial for attracting potential buyers. Now it's time to publish your book on KDP. Upload your carefully formatted manuscript in your stunning cover file. You'll then set your book's price, choosing between royalty options like 35% or 70%, depending on your pricing strategy. Finally, select the distribution territories where your book will be available for purchase. With just a few clicks, your digital book will be live on Amazon. After publishing, focus on marketing and promotion to reach a wider audience. Utilize Amazon's powerful promotional tools, such as enrolling in KDP Select for Kindle Unlimited and Countdown deals. Actively promote your book across social media platforms and your personal website. Encourage readers to leave reviews, as positive feedback significantly boosts your book's visibility and credibility, driving more sales over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.